The 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4X is here, and it's redefining what a heavy-duty off-road truck should be. This beast is built for extreme terrain, packed with cutting-edge technology, and designed to dominate every challenge that comes its way. GMC has taken its already impressive Sierra 2500 AT4 and cranked it up to the next level, creating a truck that's not just powerful but also luxurious and adventure-ready. With a bold, aggressive stance, the Sierra 2500 AT4X commands attention on the road and off it. Its rugged front fascia features a massive grille with the signature GMC logo, flanked by high-definition LED headlights that pierce through darkness like a spotlight. The steel front bumper, complete with red tow hooks and an integrated skid plate, gives it an unmistakable off-road presence, ensuring this truck can handle the harshest trails with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Sierra 2500 AT4X boasts a monstrous 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, pumping out an earth-shaking 470 horsepower and a staggering 975 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission, ensuring seamless power delivery and unmatched towing capability. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or conquering rocky trails, this truck delivers brute strength without breaking a sweat. The advanced off-road suspension, featuring Multimatic DSSV dampers, provides exceptional control and stability, absorbing rough terrain effortlessly. With a factory-installed lift and rugged 35-inch all-terrain tires, the Sierra 2500 AT4X is engineered to take on mud, sand, and snow like a true off-road warrior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a premium interior that blends luxury with durability. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality leather with AT4X badging stitched into the headrests, giving it an exclusive feel. Heated and ventilated seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the driving experience, making every journey as comfortable as it is thrilling. The Sierra 2500 AT4X is also packed with cutting-edge technology, featuring a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle data, while an advanced heads-up display keeps crucial information in the driver's line of sight. The Bose premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, ensuring your favorite tracks sound just as powerful as the truck itself. When it comes to off-road capability, the Sierra 2500 AT4X is in a league of its own. The truck is equipped with a sophisticated terrain management system, allowing drivers to switch between multiple drive modes tailored for different surfaces. The electronic locking front and rear differentials ensure maximum traction, even in the most extreme conditions. With an approach angle of 32 degrees and a ground clearance of over 11 inches, the Sierra 2500 AT4X can tackle steep inclines and deep ruts without hesitation. The underbody skid plates provide added protection, allowing you to push the limits without worrying about damaging vital components. Whether you're rock crawling, river crossing, or navigating deep sand, this truck is built to handle it all. The exterior design of the Sierra 2500 AT4X is nothing short of breathtaking. Finished in GMC's exclusive titanium rush metallic color, this truck looks as tough as it performs. Blacked-out accents, aggressive fender flares, and bold AT4X badging give it an unmistakable identity. The rear features a high-strength steel bumper with integrated corner steps, making access to the bed effortless. Speaking of the bed, GMC's MultiPro tailgate adds versatility, allowing multiple configurations for loading, securing, and accessing cargo with ease. The truck is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system, providing a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, making off-roading and trailering easier than ever. For those who demand power, luxury, and extreme capability, the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4X delivers in every aspect. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or someone who simply loves pushing the limits, this truck is designed to exceed expectations. With its aggressive styling, beastly powertrain, and state-of-the-art technology, the Sierra 2500 AT4X is more than just a pickup, it's an unstoppable force. GMC has engineered a truck that not only looks the part but plays it flawlessly, proving that off-road dominance doesn't mean sacrificing comfort and innovation. Auto Igniters is bringing you the latest updates on the most thrilling vehicles hitting the roads and trails. The 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4X is a game changer, and it's ready to conquer the world. If you're a fan of powerful trucks that break boundaries, this is the one to watch. Stay tuned for more exclusive content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest automotive news.